How to clean the warm steam humidifier. 1. Deep cleaning. Tools needed: distilled white vinegar/citric acid, soft cloth/sponge. Fill the vinegar. Fill the inner pot with lemon/distilled white vinegar/citric acid. Close the top cover. Plug in the power cord. Auto clean mode. Select auto clean mode, press and hold the clean button for 3 seconds. It will run for approximately 1.5 hours. Cool the main body. Once complete, allow the main body to cool down. Empty the inner pot. Rinse inner tank. Rinse until the vinegar smell is completely gone. 2. Daily cleaning. Open steam hood. Turn the lid to align with the unlock icon. Remove leak-proof valve. Turn the mechanism to the left and lift off. Open the top cover. Slide lock to right to the unlock position. Remove the inner lid. Align the position. Press firmly with both hands to remove the stainless steel inner lid. Take out the inner pot. Clean removed accessories. Wash the inner lid, steam hood, mist outlet valve. Anti-mold and hygienic stainless steam, easy to clean. 3. Dishwasher cleaning. Clean inner lid and inner tank. Only these 2 parts are dishwasher safe. 4. Dry and reinstall accessories. Dry the inner lid, steam hood and mist outlet valve. Reinstall inner lid, steam hood and mist outlet valve, making sure to align the steam hole. Wipe the surface with soft cloth/sponge.